Hi everybody, hello, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel Laksh Divination. Hope you guys doing awesome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So dear Divine Collective, in the pre-shuffle I'm seeing you very strong, emerging as a very defensive personality, okay? Very protective about yourself. Your higher self is protecting your consciousness and literally it's feeding subconscious messages to your conscious, okay, in order to take you to a place of spirituality where you will get your ace of cups, because you are the queen of cups energy, okay. You're very intuitive. Whoever you are, you can be a healer, you comfort people, you're very calm, you're emotionally balanced, and this balance has been the result of going through many struggles. Double water energy, Gemini, Cancer, Queen of Cups. This is a very beautiful new beginning. Well, did you hear the car honk? It was a confirmation. It's giving me the energy where you are walking towards a new beginning where spirituality plays a dominant role, because you are not a religious person. This can be a new beginning of your creative endeavors or a new job that's very fulfilling, okay. This is a new beginning with Queen of Cups and Ace of Cups. You're walking away from double-faced energies towards your highest path. Judgment is telling me about how this shift has begun. That this shift has begun since your spiritual awakening. Okay, there has been a lot of chaos. There has been a lot of chaos, dear Divine Collective, because you have finally touched a completion point in your life, especially about karmic cycles, because the world is also here. And 7-7 energy can be significant for you, dear Divine Collective. Then we have 7 of Cups reverse, because you are out of illusions, right? And with 4 of Wands at the bottom of the deck, no doubt something is coming, bro, and this will be your Ace of Cups. I think this 4 of Wands will be Ace of Cups. 11-11 energy is also significant in your case, okay. 4 energy is very significant. 4 of Cups and 4 of Wands. You're no more in regrets. You are seeing this opportunity as it is, and you're not letting any illusion come your way, okay. You're not letting any obstacle or distraction distract you right now, okay. And 4 of Wands is telling me about how this will be celebrated. This will be celebrated with your own family, okay. This can be marriage prospects as well for some of you in the collective, okay. So the world is very significant here because it dropped by itself, and it's telling me about you have touched a certain point in your life where the old systems, the old patterns, habits, self-beliefs, everything that you had or have cannot move forward with you, okay. Even people in your highest timeline cannot move forward with you. 4-4 on the timer, confirmation, okay. They cannot move forward with you until and unless they are also evolved at your level, okay. So take what resonates and leave what does not, and swap the gender roles accordingly. Let us start with the reading, okay. All right. So let us start with shuffling the raw energies. Just give me some time to shuffle them and we will begin our energy reading. So what raw energies do we have the most high? Seal of God. Wow. Chosen ones. No darkness can claim you. No darkness can claim you, bro. There are law of sacred contracts here. This is about pre-written agreements with God. Okay, this is going to be high vibrational read. Then I have baneful hex, a spell meant to weaken or curse an enemy. So somebody was trying to hex you. God, like, no chosen can live without warfare, right? The unfinished love, past life romance returning for closure. Yeah, this was, I think, the idea that I was getting. So there is a soulmate coming your way, past life soulmate. Okay. After this warfare, I think there'll still be warfare. You hold the keys to the kingdom. What you unlock, no one can close. Yup. Okay. Bottom of the deck is supernatural protection. God's hand is over your life. Yup. I know that. Okay, let us start with Seal of God. No darkness can claim you. So here I'm seeing the presence of your star family, the Galactic Federation, as well as star beings from your galaxy. Okay, you have supernatural protection. Again, Queen of Cups came out as the main energy with the Seal of God. So you are anointed one. You are anointed because of your compassion towards God, okay? This is all about your devotion, how much you unconditionally love Him. I think you never asked for something from Him. That's what He admires, like how unconditional can somebody is towards Him and can be, okay? That's why He is claiming you in this energy. Literally, that you are mine. Nobody can have you except for me. Because of your clarity. Yeah, the Lovers. I cannot make this shit up, bro. You are a very distinct and rare soul who has this beautiful connection with the divine and angelic beings. Okay? Because you have that beautiful quality of love and harmony that you bring into relationships in your 3D as well. Okay, this is Gemini energy, air energy. Okay, you always love to bring balance in relationships. Okay, you always keep everything harmonious. Okay, and you are in alignment with the universe right now. God is telling you that He's always with you. Like He is present with you right now. Okay. Then we have 8 of Cups and 2 of Swords reversed. So you are no more aligned with the past. Okay, you're leaving the past matters. You're walking away from what is not fulfilling your soul anymore and fulfilling your highest path anymore. Okay. So 2 of Swords reverse is telling me that there is no right or wrong choice here, right? It's all about coming back to union, to inner union. Okay? There can be a lot of downloads that are coming your way regarding this from God. Yes, there are a lot of downloads. Okay. Now, there are law of sacred contracts. So here, pre-written agreements are present. Okay. So the law of sacred contracts is about pre-written agreements. Ace of Pentacles came out. I saw it in the pre-shuffle energy when I cut the deck. Okay. There is a contract. This is your inheritance, dear one. Okay. This is your birthright. Something that you were meant to do. Okay. You were meant to do here. Earth energy. Something about leadership. You can pioneer some kind of skill here. You can pioneer some kind of talent here. It's God-given gift inside you. It's the seed that's now blooming from inside. And this is taking you towards abundance. Okay? Abundance and, how can I put it? Manifestations, okay? Queen of Pentacles energy with Ace of Pentacles. Wow. You are a very royal kind of soul. Very royal. Your soul is abundant in energy, okay? You're very rich in spirit. Very, very rich. But because of warfare, I think you could not manifest this idea, or there's something stopped you, okay? But you are the blueprint, let me tell you that. Ace of Pentacles tells us about the alpha qualities that you imbibe. Very ambitious. Very ambitious. Yep. There was something, psychic binding, I see. There is psychic binding with Eight of Swords. There was some kind of binding that was trying to hex you, okay? That was imposing some kind of restrictions upon you, okay? And these people can be very familiar to you who did this. So these can be karmic contracts as well here, okay? So you had some kind of pre-written karmic contracts as well that you had to clear and go through in order to evolve as the Queen of Pentacles, okay? You're the Queen of Cups, you're the Queen of Pentacles. Amazing. Big energy. So I think somebody wanted to keep you in that victim mentality, okay? Through nostalgia, maybe through using your emotions, past emotions, Scorpio energy. Water energy is very significant, okay? Yeah, baneful hex. Seven of Swords reverse. I knew it. Someone was trying to control you. Oh God. Control your mind. Okay. And now these people want to come clean. These are familiar people. These are people from past life, or these can be people from your childhood. So take what resonates and leave what does not. You knew these people from the very start, okay? They are still keeping secrets from you. Yep. There is this deceit energy. They wanted you to deceive yourself, okay, by these baneful hexes, so that it looks like an accident, okay? You know what I mean here. They wanted you to take yourself out of this world. 10-10. Whoa. Okay. They didn't have any good intention towards you, because the Hanged Man energy is here. And the energy has shifted. There is this letting go vibration coming from you, okay? A very new perspective. You're seeing the things and you're viewing the things from a very enlightened perspective here, okay? Now you have to release these kind of people from your energy. You have to cut cords from these people, okay? Yes, and Ace of Swords reverse, yes. They were trying to keep you in confusion. They wanted to rethink. Yeah, okay. They were playing with your ideas here, okay? They did not want you to implement your ideas. So somebody was trying to hinder your growth and development, okay? This is spiritual warfare. These people were causing around you, but you have now the direction. Yes. Fire energy. Air energy is very significant here. So take what resonates and leave what does not. Now, with the Two of Wands and the Fool that came out together, you were walking towards new beginnings, new possibilities with so much innocence, okay? Like you've always been innocent in the first place, and now you have the direction. You're already in union with God. This is the highest communion that the soul can ever be, okay? And you're still going through soul initiations at this point of time. You might have some travel plans that has to do with your idea implementation, okay? And you might have to leave home for that. Most of you are leaving home. And the Fool energy is telling me that you're trusting the unknown territory that you have entered, okay? My Magician, I cannot make this shit up. So there was dark magic here sent towards you as hex, okay? They were trying to hex your destiny, bro. I cannot make this shit up. They were trying to hex your destiny, your manifestations, but your willpower is something to be not meddled with. And they meddled with something that's actually the seal of God, okay? Your willpower comes from the Most High. How can it be extinguished? The question is that. With the unfinished love, I see Knight of Pentacles coming in. There is somebody responsible and hard worker energy coming in for you. Air, earth energy. This can be an air sign, an earth sign. Take what resonates. I see Aries, Taurus energy. 2020 on the timer. But oh my God. This is a past life soulmate. But there is a lot of competition and rivalry here, okay? There are a lot of people who are causing instability so that this person cannot come towards you. Fire energy. This is Leo energy. There are a lot of disagreements, tension, strife that these people are causing. So there are at most 5 people in your case, okay, who are causing this energy towards you. Yes? Now, whatever is happening, this person is in inner turmoil. Okay? Whereas you are releasing worries. Gemini energy again. You can be a Gemini, take what resonates. Or you can be an air sign. Something is reaching to its completion. Okay, I see a lot of suffering here. In this case, you have suffered a lot, I think, in the soulmate connection. Okay, and you're moving towards calmer waters. This connection is moving towards calmer waters here. There is Aquarius energy, air energy. Okay, You're releasing the baggage. You're releasing the inner turmoil. Again, air energy, double air energy. I think with this transition, you're releasing such kind of energies as well, okay? So I think you have left this person behind, even if they were a soulmate, or this is coming as soulmate, okay? All right. Okay. We will see keys to kingdom now. What you unlock, no one can close. Let's see what comes out with keys to kingdom. I think you are a gatekeeper, okay? In spirit, you can be. But I see you are the key, okay? Here you are the key to the kingdom of heaven. So you're unlocking something with Queen of Wands. Wow, you're the Empress energy. Can you see Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Queen of Wands? You're definitely the Empress energy, okay? Only the Queen of Swords hasn't come out. Okay. Let's see. So, you have a very authoritative position in spirit. High seas, Aries energy. Take what resonates. Water, fire. Okay. So, with the Queen of Wands, you hold some kind of Nine of Wands reverse. Yup. Somebody wanted to cause delays here so that you couldn't unlock the keys to kingdom. Yeah. Okay. Somebody stopped your ascension journey. Okay. So that you would remain in the karmic loopholes. Oh God. They tried to delay your passion project. And your passion project is the key to kingdom. You know that? Like that is a manifestation. That's the energy, that's a portal of heaven. So you are bringing heaven to earth. Can you imagine that? Like there are very rare souls who have the permission to do that. Okay. Oh God. Can you see the mic fumbling as I started this unfinished love scenario of yours? These energies are very stubborn. Very stubborn. 25, 25 on the timer. 7, 7. Okay. Yeah, 7, 7 is very significant. Okay, what is... Oh, 4, 4 energy came out as I... Oh my God. The Emperor with 4 of Wands. I cannot make this shit up. This is your counterpart. This is the divine masculine energy coming out after so long in my reading. With 4 of Wands. This is twin flame. This is twin flame union. This person is fire sign. This is a fire sign. Aries, Sag or Leo. Take which resonates and leave what does not. This can be a Sagittarius. Okay. Again, 4 of Wands is fire energy, Aries energy. This is homecoming. Wow. You both hold keys to the kingdom, okay? Because you're twins, of course. The authority that you hold is going to be same, okay, for your twin as well. Supernatural protection. With that, I see 7 of Wands reversed with Wheel of Fortune. Do not give up. Even if you feel frustrated sometimes, exhausted sometimes, I know that you are exhausted at the soul level because there has been, I won't say thousands of attacks, but there were millions of attacks, okay? These people have tried like non-stop, like everyday ritual is to attack you. Their everyday ritual is to attack you in spirit. But the fate is changing. Karma is coming their way. This is upright energy. The wheel is in your favor. This is the turning point of something unpredictable. Okay? and you're being very overwhelmed right now. I don't know. They wanted to destroy your confidence, dear one. Don't give them that. Don't give them that control. They wanted to destroy your confidence in your passion project so that you couldn't implement that. Okay? Because that's the demons who do not want to, who do not want you to bring heaven on earth. Yeah. These can be king of cups like energies. Yes. Somebody was giving you bad advices as well. This was emotional manipulation because they knew that you are very nurturing, very caring. Because you are coming out as a Queen of Cups, right? They thought that you were a fool, literally. They didn't know what is actually a Queen of Cups. Bro. They were taking you very lightly. They were underestimating your patience, okay? They were underestimating your silence. That's the point. Yes. They underestimated you. Okay? Why? Now let's take the mess deck. We'll see this a little in depth. Okay. Alright, sneaky link, yes. Secret affair with an unexpected person. Hidden romantic meetings behind the scenes. So, whoever hexed you, this person was having a sneaky link, maybe with the past that you have left behind. So, in the past, you were with a person, okay? Hidden skills are being discovered, work secrets coming to light. Yes, this can be a workplace affair that is going on behind your back and you didn't even know that, and now it's unveiled before you. Okay? Yes. Tyranny. Okay, there was a tyrant in your life. This was a person who was like a tyrant. I think you had overbearing boss or a workplace dictator kind of energy. So workplace energy is very significant. Okay, take what resonates. Silence pact. Lovers keeping a dark secret forever. Bond is forged through mutual guilt. So I think that your ex-person is very deceitful. Till now, this person is in guilt, but they haven't taken any action. You are moving up the corporate ladder and you are going to get that elite status in whatever field you choose for yourself. Okay? That's nice. And what else? Spiritual warfare. Clear off your energy. Spiritual warfare is still going on. You're still being attacked by these people. Yup. Yeah, I told you this energy is coming out again and again. 7 of Swords reverse. Partner compensating for a hidden wrong. Friend acting overly kind to mask betrayal. This person is trying to come back in your energy. Okay? Again, by attacking you. There is nothing new here. They are following the same strategy for attacking you because they couldn't destroy you. Okay? Yep. Now you are reshaping some kind of profession here. That's what you are doing. So you have taken some kind of job, some kind of profession that is going to change the industry itself. Okay? I think you are going to cause a change that is going to transform the profession that you have taken up in the whole industry. Yes. I think you are here to shatter some kind of old limiting beliefs of people. Then we have Chronos, struggling with time management, feeling like time is slipping away in career. I think this happens with every chosen one. Okay, this is not new in the lives of chosen ones because every time a chosen one's breakthrough is coming, some kind of financial blockage comes in the middle, right? 333 on the timer. So this is portal jumping. Let me tell you, in spiritual terms, this is when you feel like time is slipping away or you get to hear your name out of nowhere. This is portal jumping. Okay. So this was the reading, dear Divine Collective. I'll give you an angel message before going. Okay. Time for an angel message. All right. Archangels, seraphim, cherubim, cherubs, dominions, please come through and give the Divine Collective the guidance for their highest good. Thank you and amen. Aho, Om Shanti. Okay, Divine Collective. So what messages? Okay, self-worth. I cannot make this shit. Self-worth bestows a sense of confidence, expectation of success, and the ability to love. Decide on clear boundaries and limits and firmly decline to let others step over them or manipulate you. I cannot make this shit up, Divine Collective. Whatever I have just told you, this is a confirmation. Your angels are telling you to please clear your boundaries, okay, and limits with other people. You will earn your respect after that. Remind yourself that you are likable and lovable. Do not let others press your buttons. Stand tall and confident. When you value yourself, you become open and friendly, okay? Slow to take offense and quick to forgive. Forgive these people, these kind of people. With true self-worth, you radiate a golden aura which enfolds others and makes them feel good too. Ask your angel to step into your aura and guide you. The affirmation is, I am confident and worthwhile. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful energy. So I'll leave you guys here. Thank you so much for joining in, tuning in. Keep showering your love, support, and blessings in this way. It means the world to me. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Divine rising and ciao.